Hello everyone, this is Raj. You are watching the Civil Network YouTube channel. Our SSCJ previous year question series is going on. This is part 1 of 29 October 2020 paper morning shift. I hope you all are excited. Let's start with our first question. Question number 1. Dip of a magnetic needle at equator and pole is respectively. Options are A 78 degree and 12 degree, B 90 degree and 0 degree, C 0 degree and 90 degree, D 12 degree and 78 degree. Your correct answer is option number C 0 degree and 90 degree. Question number 2. The flood absorption capacity of a reservoir is. Options are A the same as the dead storage, B some percentage of the storage capacity of dam, C the water it can absorb through seepage, D the storage between full supply level and maximum water level. So the correct answer is option number D, the storage between full supply level and maximum water level. Question number 3. What must be the minimum grade of concrete to be used for a reinforced concrete structure element which is exposed to extreme exposure conditions? Options are A M20, B M25, C M30, D M40. So the correct answer is option number D M40. Question number 4. For a structural element in steel structure, which of the following is a limit state of strength? Options are A durability, B torsion, C fire, D deflection. So the correct answer is option number B torsion. Question number 5. Who is known as the father of soil mechanics? Options are A Carl von Tarjagi, B Henry P.G. Darcy, C. W.J.M. Rankine, D. Christian Otto Mohr. So the correct answer is option number A. Carl von Tarjagi. Question number 6. A pipe of internal diameter D and thickness of wall T carries fluid with intensity of pressure P. Hoop stress in the wall will be. Your options are A. PD by 2, B. PD by 4T, C. PD by 2T, D. PD by T. So the correct answer is option number C. PD by 2T. Question number 7. As per IS 456-2000, a column is said to be a short column if ratio of effective length to corresponding lateral dimension is. Your options are A. more than 12, B. less than 12, C. more than 12 but less than 80, D. less than or equals to 3. So the correct answer is option number B, less than 12. Question number 8. For concrete to be used for making airport runway, the aggregate impact value should not be more than. Your options are A. 10% by weight, B. 30% by weight, C. 25% by weight, C. 45% by weight. So the correct answer is option number B, 30% by weight. Question number 9. When paint is applied in 3 coats, the first coat is used as. Your options are A. stopping, B. finishing coat, C. undercoat, D. priming coat. So the correct answer is option number D, priming coat. Question number 10. A short RCC column is designed assuming maximum permissible axial compressive stress in concrete and steel as. Your options are A. 0.4 FCK and 0.65 FY respectively, B. 0.446 FCK and 0.87 FY respectively, C. 0.67 FCK and 0.67 FY respectively, D. 0.446 FCK and 0.67 FY respectively. So the correct answer is option number A, 0.4 FCK and 0.67 FY respectively. Question number 11. To dissipate energy, a fall is provided in a canal. A fall which has gradually convex and concave curves for smooth transition of water and to reduce disturbance and impact is A. Your options are A. Augie fall, B. Stepped fall, C. Rapid fall, D. Notch fall. So the correct answer is option number A. Augie fall. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a method of analysis of indeterminate structures? Options are A. Stiffness method, B. Slope deflection method, C. Moment distribution method, D. Conjugate beam method. So the correct answer is option number D. Conjugate beam method. Question number 13. Which of the following is a positive displacement pump? Options are A. Reciprocating pump, B. Propeller pump, C. Centrifugal pump, D. Jet pump. So the correct answer is option number A. Reciprocating pump. Question number 14. In a open channel flow, for best efficiency of a rectangular section channel, ratio of bottom width to depth shall be. Options are A. 1/2, B. 1/4, C. 1, D. 2. So the correct answer is option number D. 2. Question number 15. Which of the following is a method used in a field to determine the permeability of soil? Options are A. Odometer test, B. Falling head permeameter method, C. Constant head permeameter method, D. Pumping out of well method. So the correct answer is option number D. Pumping out of well method. Question number 16. Which of the following decreases the workability of concrete? Options are A. Well-graded aggregate, B. Air entraining admixture, C. Angular aggregate, D. Rounded aggregate. So the correct answer is option number C. Angular aggregate. Question number 17. The inner annular ring surrounding the central portion or core of the tree is. Options are A. Medullary rays, B. Sapwood, C. Pith, D. Heartwood. So the correct answer is option number D. Heartwood. Question number 18. Blue baby disease in children is due to the presence of dash in the water. Options are A. Excess sulfate, B. Excess carbonate, C. Excess chloride, D. Excess nitrate. So the correct answer is option number D. Excess nitrates. Question number 19. Which of the following is a reason for negative error in chaining? Options are A. Sag in chain, B. Chain not being straight, C. Rise in temperature, D. Chain getting out of line due to wrong ranging. So the correct answer is option number C. Rise in temperature. Question number 20. A cross drainage work in which a canal is provided over the natural drainage is called. Options are A. Super passage, B. Canal siphon, C. Level crossing, D. Aqueduct. So the correct answer is option number C. Aqueduct. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.